Hi friends, welcome to Marco Insights. मैं हूं निधि and in this video we are going to dive into exciting topic which can supercharge your experience with AI. We are going to talk about prompt engineering. If you are a content creator or you're a developer or you're just curious about AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. Now, what is prompt engineering? In simple terms, prompt engineering involves crafting specific inputs or prompts to get the desired output from an AI model like ChatGPT. ऐसे समझिए कि आप AI को डिटेल्ड इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट. जिस तरीके से रियल लाइफ के अंदर हम लोग अपने क्वेश्चंस को फ्रेम करते हैं टू गेट स्पेसिफिक आंसर्स, उसी तरीके से AI मॉडल को भी हम डिटेल्ड एंड स्पेसिफिक प्रॉम्प्ट्स देंगे ताकि हमें डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट मिल सके. Now the question arises that why you should care about prompt engineering. Like, what is it going to do for you? Well, it is all about getting that efficiency and precision in the answers that you get from AI model. कभी कभी हमें बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है कि हम AI मॉडल से कोई सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, हम चैट GPT पे कोई सवाल डाल रहे हैं, वी आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन एंड वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द डिजायर्ड रिप्लाई. Understanding prompt engineering will help you understand that how you can better talk with the AI model and get desired results out of it. It will help you save a lot of time, it will enhance your projects and definitely will help you with new avenues. It will open new possibilities for you and your interaction with AI model. Now let's discuss some tips for effective prompt engineering with ChatGPT. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, be clear and specific. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can understand your request. For example, instead of asking, tell me about marketing strategies, try, explain about the marketing strategies related to a small business in textile sector so that ChatGPT can understand and give you more relevant answer. Number 2, provide context. Whenever you are giving a prompt, you have to make sure that you are giving a context to the AI model so that it can generate relevant answers. अगर आप कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं देंगे तो मॉडल को समझेगा नहीं और वो बहुत ही जेनेरिक आंसर दे देगा आपको. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you can try something very detailed, that I am writing a blog post on SEO. Can you give me details about or tips about keyword optimization? In this way, ChatGPT will give you very relevant and detailed answer. Always remember, आप AI models को एक direction दे रहे हैं. आप जितना क्लियरली वो डायरेक्शन बता पाएंगे उतनी ही एफिशिएंटली वो आपको रिप्लाई दे पाएंगे. नंबर 3, सेट द टोन. If you want your answers to be in a particular style or tone, you have to give that in the prompt itself. You can use words like engaging, friendly, encouraging, etc. Number 4, ask for examples. Asking for examples can enhance the quality of AI responses. For example, ask something like, can you provide an example of a compelling call to action for an email marketing campaign? Number 5, iterate and refine. Don't be afraid of tweaking your prompt. पहला रिस्पॉन्स हमेशा ही करेक्ट होगा ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. जैसे ही आपको फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स मिले, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि देर इज सम स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, यू ट्वीक योर प्रॉम्प्ट, गिव एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन. आप हमेशा फाइन ट्यून कर सकते हैं इन प्रॉम्प्ट्स को टू गेट बेटर आंसर्स. इट्स जस्ट लाइक हैविंग कॉन्वर्जेशन विथ योर फ्रेंड, that you keep on adding follow-up questions or additional information to get the information that you need out of them. Let me demonstrate the power of good prompts with some examples. First, let's start with a general prompt. Write an introduction for a blog post on digital marketing. Now, this is the response we got. The response is okay, but it is quite generic. So let's refine it. चलिए कुछ details add करते हैं. I am writing a blog post about digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Can you write an engaging and informative introduction that highlights the importance of online presence and effective marketing tactics? Now look at the answer. Much better, right? The introduction is more tailored to our needs. Search engine optimization और specific techniques के बारे में बात कर रहा है ये introduction. It is very stronger than the generic answer that we got for our blog post. Now let's try another prompt. Write a promotional email on new product launch. Now look at the answer. Quite generic. एकदम एक promotional email का body दिया है आपको खाली. and now you can add more information, give more information to get it tailored for yourself. So I'm writing the name of the product is Smart Hub. Highlight the features like voice control, energy efficiency, and easy installation. It is a smart home device. Make it more engaging and encourage readers to pre-order with a special discount code. Now, I have given the tone, I have given the name of the product, I have given the features, and look at the result I have got. It is so much tailored for my needs, and I can basically just copy paste it as my promotional email with certain tweaks. So this is the power of strong prompts. So this was all about prompt engineering. I hope this video helps you to have better prompts and get better answers from ChatGPT ताकि आपका काम और भी आसान हो जाए. मैं मिलूंगी आपको अगले वीडियो में एक और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.